What did you do, Siba?
Ta-da! It wasn't me. That's what my kids would say. Today I'm making something that I'm very fond of and I grew up eating, and that's maize meal porridge. And I'd like to give mothers more options on how they can serve it. I make it in coconut cream or coconut milk, which is what I'm using for today. And the reason being is because the flavor and the texture is just so much nicer in comparison to just making it with water or normal dairy milk.
That's amazing.
And then I mix it up with some water because the coconut cream is very, very thick. So the general rule is you need 1 cup of maize milk to 4 cups of liquid. You can add a pinch of salt if you like. So the water needs to come to a boil. And if you're making porridge, you need to make a paste so that by the time it's added to the boiling liquid, it doesn't create lumps. Right, now I'm going to add my paste. And this is what you have. Beautiful consistency.
So what are you looking for?
So I'm looking for a thick consistency like this, but it must also be pouring.
Ah, look at that incredible consistency.
It's gorgeous. Look, 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 look.
I'm just gonna have my little porridge and eat it. I'm going to my corner. Who's a Goldilocks?